Anyone that knows me, were you really expecting a better paint job?
The clock that was ticking in my home changed my state of mind. When love's so hard to find, your picture sings like the weather. When a broken rain, all that time.
Alright guys, so we got some paint stuff for the S13. We got some acetone for the bed liner, and I'm just getting some random stuff because we don't really know it's gonna work, but we got steel wool, some sanding blocks, and some regular like sandpaper for the regular parts of the car that aren't bed liner. So
Cashed in his entire piggy bank to come out and spend.
Cashed in some change, got like 35 bucks, so now we're gonna choose some paint, be on our way. Get it at Walmart, but so we got
2 times the cover.
Yep, gloss black, and then we're gonna hit it with some Hot Boy red sparkle.
Not too much though.
Not too much. So how much are these cans a piece? $5 bucks.
About 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
Alright, so this total should come to around $50, $55.
$50 paint job.
$50 paint job budget. We're gonna see how it comes out, and we'll let you know.
To go along with the budget, we got 320. You do that last, and you do the 220 first. We have an orbital sander at home, so we'll do all the prep work right, tape it off, clean it, spray it with this.
Alright, then we got some beast. Got some beast for the way home.
When your paint matches your monster.
Yeah, nasty.
Anyone that knows me, were you really expecting a better paint job than this? I don't think so. Looks pretty good to me.
You can see it in the camera, look. Toad skin sleep.
Alright, so now we're wiping this thing down. We just sanded the front. The door is very hard to do, but yeah, we just hit this with sander, and this is what the paint looked like in the back from yesterday. I don't know how good it's showing up on camera, but it's decent. It's a 10-footer for sure. It looks pretty sick. I don't know. Gonna send the front end with some paint. It's pretty smooth. And let's get to it.
Patrice coats it black. We'll get the red sparkle on it, start at the roof and work our way down. So we just finished up with the gloss, the glitter.
Ignore the doors.
They can't even tell.
The doors look so bad because
It's not,
all the bed liner off, but the front actually looks pretty good.
it's not too bad. But it just looks weird on the hood because there's shadows. But we're gonna peel the paper off and then see what she looks like. So
What can I say?
Alright, so we took her for a little drive. Looking alright. Not too good. It's a good 10-footer. I think I just found the cold start issue with the S13. It's really late, right? Not really late, but it's dark. And I don't know why I'm doing this right now, but I'm really hyped because I think I found the problem. So hold on, I'll show you the problem. Okay, so
right here, we got all these wires that I had to cut the connector off because this cluster is from a dual cam, I believe. So I was gonna buy the plug and then put it from that and then just wire these in separately. However, I didn't think this would matter on like startups and how the car would be running and stuff. So I figured out that this orange wire, I believe the solid orange wire, controls like a startup, like a cold start, and it like gives it more fuel and such. So right now I just got this like sketchily together with electrical tape because I just want to see if it works. Oh boy, it's so windy. And then I routed it through, and I'm gonna put the battery in from the Jeep because the battery I have for the 240 is dead. So we're gonna do that and we'll see if it fixes it. All right, so we got the wire connected to the positive because it's a 12 volt power wire. And I don't really wanna, if this thing starts, I'm gonna be hyped, but I'm gonna have to shut it off because I don't want my neighbors to get pissed because this thing's kind of loud and it's like 9 o'clock. So let's see how to prime up. Let's see if it works. Yup, done. She's fixed. Let's go. I'm hyped. We figured it out. Catch this thing on the roads, baby. Woo! I'm so fucking happy right now. That's actually so fucking mint, dude. I've been trying to figure this thing out for like, I don't even know how long. It's been like a year. And like a cold start has always been one of the main problems. And now it's good because it just started up in about 3 seconds rather than, you guys probably saw the last video when we drove it and I tried to start it and it took like 20 seconds to start. So I'm gonna call that a wrap.